Good afternoon, all. My name is Samiksha Vitthal Ghavande, and today's my non-technical topic is plastic pollution. So, we all are familiar to word plastic. Plastic is the integral part of our life, and plastic pollution, that is simply said, the accumulation of plastic material or harmful waste product into the earth or environment. Plastic is the integral part of our modern life, and we start a day by using the plastic material like milk pouches, bucket, brush, then other plastic material which are causing a harmful effect to the environment. The plastic pollution is become the highest problem in our India and in overall world also. Plastic pollution which are adversely effect on human health, wildlife, as well as other resources also. So the plastic pollution leads to many problems. Plastic are the non-biodegradable material which are present in the nature in thousands or hundreds of years. The plastic are break into the smaller particle known as microplastic, which are very harmful to our environment. It leading to various diseases as well as injury also. The plastic pollution mainly affects on human life, wildlife habitat, birds, animals, etc. So we will discuss how to reduce the plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is reduced by awareness of reducing the plastic in the society by campaign aware by social media also to reduce the plastic use in our daily life. The second one is by using the 3R, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce is simply said the use of plastic. Reduce the use of plastic in daily life, and then second one is reuse. Plastic is reuse. So before disposal we all are know about the plastic is second time also used. Then last one is recycle. Recycling of plastic is possible and causing the and producing new material of plastic. So the 3R is the important to reduce the plastic pollution, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So we will discuss the impact of plastic pollution on human health, environment, and wildlife. In wildlife, the ingestion of plastic causing the death or injury. There is ingestion of plastic by wildlife or other animal like cow, buffaloes, which leading to the malnutrition and other health problem in the animals. Plastic directly affect on animal or wildlife also. So second one is plastic is affect on environment, that is the plastic are non-biodegradable material which are continue in nature in hundreds of years, which is very harmful to the soil and other water resources also. It blocks the water resources like river, land, and contaminated the water pollution also. The marine animal like fish, jellyfish, fish, or the wildlife like cow, buffaloes are ingest the plastic and causing the malnutrition as well as other health problem. Then it directly impact on our human health. The contaminated water and other plastic material like teacup are used in our daily life, which causing a very harmful chemicals like plasticizer, additives, BPC, PPS, carbon, etc., which harmful to the human health. It leads to the carcinogenic effect like cancer, cancer, malnutrition and other health problem. It directly affect on the brain disease also. So the plastic pollution is very harmful to our health, environment as well as wildlife. So it's all about the plastic pollution. Thank you.